bought them. I bought all 3 of them, and you guys probably already expected it. Like, I wish I got them sooner though. I wish like Apple sponsored me or whatever, because I would have made this video like 3-4 days ago and everyone else got them. But I'm a regular person. I'm your average Joe, so Apple didn't send them to me or whatever. But I did drop almost $3,000 on all of them. But it's okay because I do it for you guys and I love you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. I mean, I've done like millions of these on my channel, and usually these get like no views, but this is just kind of a starting point for all of my videos. So it's like, okay, cool, like this is the beginning, and then I'll do all my comparisons and my final reviews and camera comparisons, all that stuff. So the one I'm most excited to see, honestly, I'll probably end up using the 11 Pro as my main phone every day. The 11 is really cool. $699 base model, super nice. $999, $1099. In my opinion, this is way overpriced. Even this one is super overpriced for what you're getting. I think the iPhone XS right now is a much better value. I think this one is dead, but this is probably going to drop down to like probably $600, $700 in the used market. I would highly recommend picking one of those up. So let's go ahead and start off with the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm sure you guys already seen these, but all right, my bad, I had to shift some things, but let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's go and take out this wrapper. It's usually standard. I mean, I really don't think anything crazy is going to come out of this unboxing, to be honest. That's kind of weird. There's like a little cutout right there, if you guys can see that. That's super funny. We have the iPhone right there, and apparently people are saying it's like frosted, whatever. It took me a second to pull it out, but you know, it does feel a little bit, well, I have to peel this thing off first. I don't know why y'all like that so much. Oh, there's nothing on the back. Wow, that is really different. I'm going to be honest. I'm really surprised that there's no paper or anything behind that. That literally feels like a screen protector. So this must be the new frosted thing, and I like it. It feels a little weird if I'm being honest. That's the biggest change right there. Most likely you have a case on it, but that's really, really weird. I was not expecting that. Let's go and boot this thing up. Let's see if it has any power on it. And it does. So we're going to put this to the side. Inside the box, you have your typical standard stuff right here. You have the fast charger now, which is only on the Pro models. You have the USB Type-C right there. You have the regular AirPods. Not the AirPods, just the EarPods. So that's cool. I guess they threw that in. As well as a Lightning to USB Type-C. So that's cool. I mean, I guess they threw that in. As you can see, it turns on and it works, but that's so weird. I was not expecting it to feel that different. So that's the iPhone 11 Pro. Let's go ahead and do the Pro Max. And all these things are going to have pretty much the exact same things on them. As you can see, this is the box, and same exact process for this thing and wrapping, whatever. As you can see, also a little cutout, but this one seems a little bit cheaper. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell. The top of the 11 Pro was more like, sealed, so it felt better. But this box, I mean, it's like just a cutout, which is kind of different. I don't know why they did that. Then we have the phone itself, and apparently these are the exact opposite. So this is frosted, this is glass, and this is frosted. So kind of interesting. Let's go ahead and pull this thing out, and as you can see, I mean, it literally looks just like the iPhone XR as previously described. It feels just like the iPhone XR on the back. Let's go ahead and boot this thing up. The side of the phone feels exactly the same as the XR as well. As you can see, I have a XR right here. You can tell the immediate differences. I mean, on the white model that I have on the left, it's kind of hard to see the Apple logo, but on this one it is easier to see. So I guess the white iPhone XR is the same exact thing, but you can see dual camera setup here, single camera setup. This is not a comparison, but expect a comparison probably tomorrow between those two. Immediate thoughts, I mean, it feels exactly the same as the previous model. But I will say that the iPhone XR feels like a little bit glossier on the back. Maybe it's because I've used it longer, but this one feels a little bit more like sliding, like you can like feel it better. This one feels a little bit more rugged. I don't know why. As you can see, standard stuff, you swipe to unlock and all that good stuff. So that's the iPhone 11. This is even cheaper than the iPhone XR brand new, so I'm really happy to actually that they did that. Inside the box, you have your typical things, the stickers, whatever, paper. Inside of this box, though, you actually only have the standard USB Type-A, I think this is called. It's just a standard charger, which, you know, I don't know why they still put this in there. I don't know why they didn't put the Pro one in, but I guess it's whatever. EarPods, USB port down there, so you guys get the rest of it. So let's go ahead and do the most expensive newer model, the 11 Pro Max. The unboxing experience is pretty much exactly the same on all of them. As you can see, as soon as you unbox it, you go ahead and have the little cutout up there again, which is so funny. I didn't hear anybody talk about that, which is so weird. You have the frosted iPhone back here. Dude, this thing, I wish I didn't have to put a case on this. This thing looks amazing, but we don't really have a choice, I'm being honest. Go ahead and slide this thing off. You guys already know. I've done this like 5 times. Go ahead and boot it up, and of course it feels exactly the same as the iPhone XS Max from before. It's the same exact size. I have the iPhone XS Max to the right, and as you can see, I mean, it's exactly the same. Just the back is really, really different. I'm being like, that is so surprising to me. I thought there was like the glass, the screen protector thing on the back of it, but I guess not. Apparently this is super durable too. It like doesn't even feel like glass. Maybe it feels like glass. I don't know. It's really hard to describe. But over here is the glass. But also you have the triple camera setup, which we'll talk about in a minute. I mean, I'm gonna make so many videos about these phones that you'll probably feel like you own them. So this thing boot up as well. Inside the box, again, you have the standard paperwork, your EarPods, which I'm gonna have like 5 of these. Your fast charger right here, which I'm going to change all my chargers to fast chargers, as well as the USB Type-C to Lightning port right there. So those are all the new iPhones right there. It's pretty crazy. I mean, as you can see, definitely pretty decent upgrades, at least for the camera sizes between them, but I'm surprised by how different they feel from the predecessors, even the iPhone 11. This one kind of weirds me out a little bit now I think about it. It looks a lot like an iPhone 5C, but I'll probably start doing these comparisons tomorrow and probably have like a full review probably like in a week from now. I don't know, but I guess I'll just go ahead and play it by ear. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone.